see what's coming on the horizon. Waking up to tomorrow's life to find out that the answer is gone. The answer is gone.
I'm bringing it down, so turn it up. I'm here to bring a flow that puts a chill down your neck. Yeah, the kind you get when you start to feel that you can connect to the words of my rhyme. As you listen one at a time, they begin to take shape and bring an image into your mind, one that helps you to see, cause in this world there's so many lies and so many people living in a phony disguise. So now I'm here to help you out and bring about to decline by giving you a rhyme that leaves you with a tingling spine that reacts with your head to wake up and seem like it was dead. So you can stand up with your hand up and repeat what I said to stop the media money makers that ruin society, the ones who try to put a stop to lyrical sobriety. Yeah, and now there's so many complications and many people now in screwed up situations because of what we let walk into our lives through our ears and our eyes, and yet we all look surprised.
I will fight so hard. I will fight so hard to help you to see, and it's complicated, but does anyone care? Does anyone care? And it's still I will fight. I will fight so hard. I will fight so hard to help you to see, and it's complicated, but does anyone care? Does anyone care?
I think not, cause I still hear the guns go pop, 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 pop. There's another one, another brother gone, another mother lost a son, another young life, wonder what he would've done, but now he'll never have a chance to grow and be someone. I wish it were a story, but the lyrics are real, and as I'm sitting penning out this rhyme I can't help but feel for all the victims of the culture that we have created, that loves a brutal display of racism, violence, and hatred. And I know 1,000 songs have said the same thing, but we don't change, we don't listen to the message they bring. We wanna live it up with someone else and do what's done, and so the cycle goes, I guess it makes 1,001. I wish I thought it was done, but really I just begun to dig into the corruption that's systematically run by the music corporations that are plaguing our nation, and simply take a seat and watch a death of young aspiration.
I will fight so hard. I will fight so hard to help you to see, and it's complicated, but does anyone care? Does anyone care? And it's still I will fight. I will fight so hard. I will fight so hard to help you to see, and it's complicated, but does anyone care? Does anyone care? And it still goes on.
Most people still tripping, society slipping, so here's some more. I tried to bring this message when I did Hurting Land, but now I see that you don't learn or maybe don't understand. Maybe the music was too slow, so I say it again, but in a different way to reach all those who wouldn't extend a kind word of gratitude. Some got nothing but attitude, say I'm hating, well I am. We're not on the same latitude. I shove it down your throat cause you shove it down mine. I have to sit and listen to your garbage rhyme after rhyme. I felt the gun, sex, violence, and glorified crime. Same old thing that's on the radio all the time. Though you came to get yours, now I'm here to get mine. And if it makes it to the areas, man, that'll be fine. I don't expect you though, cause I'm only keeping it real. I only sing and rap about the true things that I feel. Someone has to bring a flow that'll keep you alert. Someone to tell it like it is, even if it'll hurt.
I will fight so hard. I will fight so hard to help you to see, and it's complicated, but does anyone care? Does anyone care? And it's still I will fight. I will fight so hard. I will fight so hard to help you to see, and it's complicated, but does anyone care? Does anyone care? And it still goes on. On the radio it plays a song, and all of us will sing along, hypnotized, captivated, sitting back like we're sedated with the beat of the new song. They spend $1 million on a brand new artist once a week. Just pluck another from the street, and children fall into the game. They grow up only wanting fame, to be the people that they see. The radio and the TV is what they're fed, and now they'll be a victim of society. And later as the kids grow up, we wonder why they self-destruct.